Welcome to Alt Investing Made Easy, where we explore the complex world of alternative assets. I'm Roland, a securities attorney, investment advisor, and your co-host.
And I'm Sarah, an investment advisor and corporate attorney, and your other co-host. We'll guide you through real estate, private equity, and more, making complex topics accessible.
Tune in for insights that empower your financial journey.
Let's make alt investing easy, one episode at a time. Hello, welcome everyone to Alt Investing Made Easy. Today we have a quick summary from Rohit Sood, who's going to introduce to you an investment opportunity.
Thank you, Sarah. So, Sarah, the investment opportunity is an investment partnership called Commodore Group Holdings LP. It's a Delaware limited partnership. I'm the investment manager for the partnership, and essentially what I do is we take ownership stakes in high quality public companies on behalf of our partners. We are a long only quality investing partnership. We invest in high quality companies, US equities only, and liquid stocks only. What we don't do is we don't do any kind of speculative investments. We don't do any fixed income or credit investments, no international stocks, no short sales, no derivatives options or any kind of hedges, and we don't use any leverage, right? What we do have is we have a concentrated conviction portfolio. And the reason for having a concentrated conviction portfolio is that the universe of companies that are high quality companies and that are also available at decent prices is a very small group. So that necessitates us taking large positions. Whenever we take a position, whenever we decide to make an investment, we make large positions. So we have a concentrated conviction portfolio, and I think that that has served us well in the past. Now, the question is, what makes a company high quality, right? So obviously there are several factors that go into determining what a high quality company is. It's profitability, it's market leadership, which is the two things that I think most people focus on. And the rest of the things I think people don't focus adequately on. And some of the other things are high returns on capital employed. And then economic goodwill, right? Intangibles that result in above market economics and which is not the accounting goodwill, right? Capital self-sufficiency and rational capital allocation, capital decisions that increase shareholder value as opposed to just benefiting management teams. And the shareholder friendliness, management teams that treat shareholders like owners, the way we think of ourselves as shareholders in companies. So those are some of the things that kind of define our approach.
And you know what, just to add in there, Rohit, thank you. Something that I liked about what we were discussing earlier is that you kind of have a philosophy of invest like an owner. And I think that summarizes everything that you're saying. And, you kind of have a different point of view when you are thinking to invest.
And just let's make sure that we hear about Fintuative as well, Rohit, because I think that's a great part of your story.
Sure. So the second thing is that I'm the president and CEO of a software platform called Fintuative. And Fintuative is a platform that I built from the ground up. It consumes all kinds of financial. It's an automated software platform that consumes all financial information, 10Ks, 10Qs, all kinds of filings from U.S. publicly listed companies, aggregates it, collates it, analyzes it, and we use that to inform our decision making. We have a proprietary quality score, a proprietary value score that we come up at the end of every month, which kind of tells us which ponds to fish in when we're looking for these quality companies available at decent values. And I think that's something that most people don't have access to. Having access to Fintuative, we don't use any kind of other platforms like Bloomberg or FactSet or other things that people use. It's very, very specifically customized to our internal analysis that helps us identify high quality companies.
It's really interesting.
I really like that. Yeah.
So why don't you just give us the quick details? We'll have contact details down below in the show notes for anybody that wants to, is interested in this investment opportunity or just wants to know more how they can contact you, Rohit. And I think you mentioned earlier that there's the minimum investment amount and the average investment amount. If you could give those details again.
Yes, thank you, Sarah. So the minimum investment amount is $250,000. It's open only to accredited investors in the U.S. Or other investors internationally. And although because it's a long-term focused partnership, and we talked about thinking like an owner, the average investment size is over $1 million, but $250,000 is the minimum.
Okay, thank you. I think that sounds good. So we could wrap it up. Thank you so much for joining us today, Rohit. We really look forward to talking with you. Roland,
Thank
do
you,
you have
Sarah. Thank you, Roland.
Oh, thank you. And we'll just leave with our tagline. Remember, everyone, take aim with your alternative investing strategies and invest with somebody like Rohit and Commodore Group Holdings.
Yes, thank you. And please also like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.